What's up guys, Joe here. So a buddy of mine just picked up a new truck and asked me to come down to ceramic coat it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I ceramic coat trucks. So let's get started.
Okay, first let's start with rinsing off the wheel and spraying it down with a degreaser. Using a few different detail brushes, agitate and loosen up any dirt or grime before rinsing off and moving over to the next wheel. After all 4 wheels have been cleaned, now we can rinse the body of the truck. Be thorough with your rinse. After our rinse, we'll do our first foam down. In this foam cannon, I'll be using Chemical Guy's Clean Slate to remove any wax left over from the dealership or factory. After letting the foam dwell for a minute, we can now start washing the truck. Next up, we are going to spray down the truck with a product called Iron X Snow Foam from CarPro. This product removes any iron particles embedded in the paint, furthering our decon process and ensuring that the ceramic coating will stick and cure properly. Let's start with polishing the truck. Working one panel at a time, splitting the bigger panels into 2 sections, buffing off with a clean towel after. In this case, I'll be using Meguiar's 205 Ultimate Finishing Polish. Now that we're finishing polishing, it's time to wipe each panel with an IPA cleaner. We are now ready to ceramic coat. Prime your pad by dropping a few drops of the ceramic onto your applicator. I like to start side to side, overlapping passes, then finish with an up and down pass. My theory is to finish in the direction you'd want the water or dirt to travel, so in this case, downward. After the ceramic has flashed, it's time to buff off with a clean microfiber towel. Be sure to inspect each panel with a detail light. I love my detailing lights, like the Scan Grip Sunlight Match, but nothing beats checking your work under the actual sun. Now that the outside of the truck has been coated, let's coat the interior as well. I love using CarPro's C-Quartz leather. It doesn't change the shine or the look of the leather, but it will protect against whatever my buddy decides to throw at it. Prime your pad and work the product into the seat, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Once flashed, buff off with a suede towel and inspect your work with a detail light, then move on to the next area. C-Quartz leather can also be used on the majority of the plastics, woods, and vinyls of the interior of the car. And that's it guys, that's how I ceramic coat a brand new truck. Thanks for taking the time out of your day and watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more detailing tips and tricks